Hi everyone! Welcome to the Touch Notes tutorial. In this video, we'll introduce stickers. There are lots of stickers, from cute cartoon images to practical mark patterns, to meet your different preferences and styles. Practical stickers help you highlight key information, making your notes easier to read and understand. Funny stickers can add humor to your notes, making studying and working more relaxing. So where can we find it? It is in the tools. If you use stickers frequently, you can add it to the navigation bar or add a single sticker to the pen case, then you can find it quickly. There are many types of stickers, and we will continue to update. You can also customize your own favorite stickers. The first way, you can import your favorite pictures to make stickers. Click here to save. You can circle the stickers you like from the picture. You can draw many on one picture. If you don't like it or make a mistake, you can erase it. The second way, you can put the images into a folder, package them into a zip file, and then import them. The third way, you can use the selection tool to select pictures, handwriting, etc. on your notes and save them as stickers. You can select one or more stickers and click Add to Notes so that you can use them. You can zoom in, adjust its position, or copy it. So go use it and make your notes full of fun and personality.